Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about trading bankrupt company stocks. I had two experiences, one good and one bad, so I want to go ahead and share those with you. But first, if you all are new to my channel, please go ahead, hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you get notified when I release awesome videos just like this one. All right, back to trading bankrupt stocks. We are going to see likely a large number of companies going bankrupt over the next year. It's a nature of the beast dealing with this pandemic. Some are going to surge. The online world is doing amazing. Amazon, Walmart, Target, they're all doing really, really well. However, some other ones that are brick and mortar retail stores might not be faring so well if they never ventured off into the online market. Target did a really good job of rebranding themselves to be like Amazon, Walmart as well. But for others, we might start to see some bankruptcies also in the airline sector. It's, hurting a lot of companies. Not that many people are going on vacation. We might also see something happen in the cruise world, because how many people want to go on a cruise ship where there's lots of germs from other people that are all packed in like sardines, and they want to book a vacation like that? I know I wouldn't want to be captive on a cruise ship if COVID started to break out. Not a scenario that I would want to put myself in personally. So just looking at those sectors like the luxury area, also vacation type stocks that might be hard hits in this time, might be ones to watch. But on to my experiences. So one great trade was actually a trade in which I put $25,000 into a bankrupt company, and then it was bought out. And part of that buyout was an issuance of new stock to the former company's owners. So it ended up that my $25,000 investment turned into $250,000. I thought, yes, I'm a rock star. This is amazing, And then I had another scenario where I bought shares of a company that was bankrupt. It was roughly, I think, about $25,000 investment as well. And I was watching this. This was Arjet, or Republic Airlines. And I knew some people after working in Philadelphia in the aviation world. I knew some people that worked for the company, and they were saying, it doesn't make sense. This company is doing well. Our flights are full. And, we always complete the contract with the parent company that they have their contracts with. I thought, this one's gonna emerge too, right? It's gonna emerge from bankruptcy. They're doing well. And I was following all the court proceedings. I was reading the dockets. I was getting really into it. You guys know I love to do research on companies. I love to do research on the internet. I'm somebody, I like to find that puzzle piece. So I was doing my due diligence, looking into it as a longer term holding. And then one day they came out and they said, yes, we are going to emerge from bankruptcy, but we are going to go private. Boom. Valuation of these shares dropped even further. Who is going to hold shares of a company when they're going private? They're not buying out the shareholders, they're bankrupt, right? And when you're trading a bankrupt stock, you have to remember that the shareholders are pretty much last on the list. There's no guarantee that you are going to receive any money back. There's one of three different outcomes, right? This company could come out of bankruptcy and it could have a new ticker, okay? There's still not a guarantee that you're going to end up with shares of that new company. Second one, they could be bought out, but there's still no guarantee that you are going to get shares. They might issue money to you. And the third is, actually there's four. They go private, and then the fourth, they don't come out of bankruptcy. So really it's very iffy as a shareholder in buying into a bankrupt company that they're going to end up giving you anything in return. I learned it the hard way. I think on the second one, it was probably a longer term loss. of maybe 7,000 to 8,000, roughly 50%. It slowly declined. And then once that news came out, I went ahead and I sold the shares and got out and thought, oh man, that was an expensive lesson to learn, right? But I now know, and I would like to enlighten you, that if you are looking for a immediate growth of money to the long side for a bankrupt stock, that's not always the best strategy, right? Of course, this is my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial analyst or licensed broker, so please keep that in mind. And it's just from my personal experience. I had one amazing scenario and I thought, oh, this is gonna happen again. And it did not turn out so well. So I would hate for you guys to feel that pain as well in buying bankrupt stocks that are coming out. And even though it doesn't seem like they could end up in a profit or that you're going to see a large number of returns, when they make that announcement, a lot of people might at the same time short the stock only to be squeezed. So be cautious on that side as well. Even if the price is starting to decline, potentially set stops to go ahead and capture profit as well along the way. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time. If you ever all have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below, or you can reach me at jane@cjanetrade.com.